Hello everyone and welcome to Mableton, Georgia, at one of the entrances of the beautiful Silver Comet Trail. It's a walking and biking trail. Used to be, in the days of yore, it was a train track that instead of having it demolished and paved over, it was repurposed into this beautiful walking trail that passes through about 3 different counties in the Atlanta metro area. And it also still includes the old train trestles. That's right. When it goes over ravines and rivers, the walking trail still has old train track trestles underneath it, and that's always really cool. Anyway, it is Friday, June the 28th, 2019, about 8:30 in the afternoon, which means it's cool, but not yet dark, at least for the next hour. So I am going to get on out there and make this a nice chill hour, make a good riding video about it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Nine o'clock now. This is letting me know just how out of shape I am. Still another 30 minutes before it gets totally dark. I've only been riding for like 20 minutes. And I may have gone a mile. But it feels like I've gone 5 miles. It's been therapeutic though. It has. I wonder if you are edible. Are you edible, little mushroom? Can you give me energy and sustenance to continue on this trail? Tell me. I'm not going to risk it. While I'm catching my breath, I might as well read this sign posted, the addendums of the rules of the trail, since somebody was kind enough to post them here. They include the times, which are from dawn until dusk. At 9 o'clock, I believe I might be past dusk. But then it says the trail closes at night. So I guess this is open to at least a little bit to interpretation. I'm going to say that is 9:30. So the trail may not trespass onto private property. Alcoholic beverages, drugs, and blank are not allowed on the trail. So somebody's taken this off. I guess I can fill in something there. I'm going to say that's canoodling. Yeah. Alcoholic beverages, drugs, and canoodling are not allowed on the trail. Vandalism. Just like scratching a word off of a sign, that kind of vandalism. Alright, better get back on the bike and continue on. Okay, at 9:10, the top of this hill, right here at the intersection of East-West Connector and Camp Highlands Road. I believe this is a good place for my out of breath, out of shape self to turn around, start heading back towards the truck. I really need to get out here and start doing this more often. I am out of shape. Let's get back to the truck. Best tasting water ever! Alright, back to the bike. Back inside the truck. If you've enjoyed this little mini-sode at all, please don't hesitate to indicate so by hitting that thumbs up like button. Leave comments, questions. Let me know if you would like to see me tackle another section of the Silver Comet Trail. There's plenty of it to go around. Also, please subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you'll start receiving notifications of all my future updates. Please join my Facebook group, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.